Hey guys, DM Cubing, and today we celebrate a birthday. No, not my birthday, the Rubik's Cube's birthday. It was in this month in 1980, 37 years ago, that the cube was officially released to the world. I was 16 years old at the time, a sophomore in high school, and I was just about to go on summer vacation, and this great, wonderful toy hit the world. It was on May 5th of 1980 that it had its official launch, and it was actress Zsa Zsa Gabor, a Hungarian actress actually, who introduced the cube to the world. And it was from this point forward that it was available worldwide. Previously, it had only been available in the inventor's country of Hungary. So, 1980, May, this month, 37 years ago, the Rubik's Cube had its official worldwide release. Happy birthday, Rubik's Cube!